Hello my fellow coders, welcome back to ThinkInCode, and today we are starting with JSON handling in Python. To start with, what is the full form of JSON? It's a JavaScript object notation. It is used for storing and exchanging structured data. We have to be very careful with this. It exchanges and stores structured data, and it looks like a Python dictionary. As you can see here, this is how we used to create Python dictionaries as well. So let's start with basically writing a JSON file, since we need a JSON file to read. Then we're going to use a module like we did in our previous CSV file video. We're going to do import. We did CSV, but this time we're going to do JSON. So we imported JSON module. Then what we're going to do is write data equals to, we are going to create a list. And then this list will have two dictionaries, one being name and another being name, John, is, and city. So this is our two dictionaries created inside a list. It's a list of dictionaries. So now what we're going to do is similar with open and then data.json write as file. Then it's very simple to do this. json.dump all of the data as in this list into our file. So it's basic. So dump all the data, this data, into our file data.json, and we're going to run this and it should create a new file. As you can see, we got a new file called json.data. As you can see, it is saved. So this is how you write a JSON file. Now the modes are same as before, W, A and R, read, write and append. Now as we already saw, I don't need to explain, we just dump multiple data in here. So if you want to just dump a single data, that's also easy here. If we just remove this and this, and if we do this, it will rewrite our data. So if we run this, it rewrote our data with just one of them. So as you saw how we can write multiple datas and a single data inside a JSON file. Now we are going to update the file that already exists. So let's go back to our previous data and we're going to run it. We got our previous data back and now we are going to update this. So for this, what we are going to do is first we're going to read it. So let me teach you how to read it before we append it or update it. With open data, and let's just change this to R, and then this will be changed into data equals to json.load. What do we need to load? File. We need to load this JSON file, and then we have it saved in here. So for now, what we can do here is we're just going to comment this out, and then we are going to print data. And if we run this, as you can see, we got the data here printed. Now I'm going to talk about accessing each of the data individually, but before that, what we can do here is now edit this data. So we read the data, now let's edit it. Now after reading it and storing it into the data, now we are going to change it. So data.append name, we're going to add Michael and then age as 25 and city is London. And then we are going to do with open.json, not write. We are not going to write this time. We are going to append. And then we are going to .file, and then we are going to run this. And as you can see, we got an error here because we have this previous data left. That's why we don't do append here. What we are going to do is we are going to rewrite it. So I'm going to tell you why we did this. So wait, let's delete the last part. We created this part and let's delete this and then let's rerun this. So as you can see, it ran without an error and we added Michael as well. So what happened was, what we did was, we have a list. We have this list as data and this was saved in here as a list. If we just do this, we'll enter this and then this. So as you can see, we have a list of 3 different data. As you can see, our first dictionary, second dictionary and third dictionary. Before we added this one, we only had this 2 dictionaries and we read those dictionaries and we loaded it into data. That's why what we can do is print data, right? And then let's just remove this, the last one, and let's rerun this, right? As you can see, we got it, just the 2 data, right? We loaded it into the data. And now we have a list of 2 dictionaries. And in this list of 2 dictionaries, we added another dictionary. And then we rewrote the whole file. After we added a third dictionary here, we wrote the whole file again with all three dictionaries. Now that is how we appended the file. What we can do here is we have three data. Let's just do this. This is prettifying, just I'm prettifying this so it's easy to understand. Now let's talk about accessing the data. So accessing individual data. So what we can do here is we have this right now. We can do with open, and then we're just going to do file, and then we are going to read, and then we are going to do data equals to json.load file, and we have everything in the data right here. So what we can do is first print data 0. Right, so this is the index of the list we have here. So as you can see, we have 0, this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. So this is basically the index, right? So we are accessing 0 here, right? 0 index, and then same as dictionaries, we are going to do name. So we are accessing the first element, and from the first element get me the key name, and it should give us Zane, right? So let's try that. And also print is, to beautify this, what we can do is comma is, okay, this is name, and we'll just copy this and paste it here, and this will be is. So if we print it, as you can see, wait, we got an error. What is this error? Columns decoder. Wait, let's remove this. It was the error in the file. So let's print it. So as you can see, we got name and Zane is name Zane and age 25. So as you can see, like, we get a lot of error during coding, and you don't need to worry. Just check out the error and see where you made a mistake and just come back to it and solve it. Now, as you can see, what I did here was I prettify it, right? So if we just don't add this and just boom, boom, and we're going to do write, and then we just json.dump, right, data and file. And if we just print it, as you can see, wait, we got an error here, dot dump, right? I made a mistake with the S. So yeah, as you can see, we got an ugly one. So this is not a pretty way to look at it, and it's not very readable. So to do that, to prettify it, what we are going to do is file, and then we're going to add comma, indent equals to 4. So if we do this, and if we print this, as you can see, look at this. How pretty is this? See, it's very readable as well. So that's how you make it more pretty. Indent equals to 4. This helps you easy to like just go through and make it more pretty and read it better. To summarize this, there is only two things you need to remember here. One is json.dump to dump all the data, and another is json.load to load all the data. So that is it for JSON handling, and I hope you understood what we talked about. If you want the notes for this, it's in the link in the description. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And if you haven't accessed the playlist yet, please do. It's in the screen. That is it. Happy coding. Keep coding.